Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Power Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Let's check in on Monero. Monero poking through both our levels above this 199 level, and then pulling back the rotation zone, rotating higher. So let's update these levels to the next key area that we're watching for. We can just go all the way up here because that'll help everybody. Look for the next areas. Now we did form a mini double top here. That's then hit all the levels down. This just gave us areas to watch for a pullback. We're getting a rotation up. We're going to watch for the key rotation above the 8 EMA, though. That's what's going to be key for us. So we're not going to rush this. It is a little premature now. Doing the 12 and 25% projections now, we have a cluster with the rising 50-period exponential moving average on the 4-hour chart at 186. So we fall below that 184 is what we'll be watching for. Rotation back up. First major area of resistance is going to be about this 200 area again. Then we'll watch for a return to 205. Then we can watch for 210 to 215 to 217. Now let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart. Don't have the first cross rotation zone. It's caught on the 21 right now. You see that. If we do pull down, then this would dip it back below the rotation zone, which would not be as strong. So we'd be really watching for this to hold here and rotate and get back up above the 8 EMA. So that's what we're watching for in Monero. Checking in on Ripple. Ripple coming up, spiky above our 0.7062, slightly there. So that hitting both the levels, coming back up, forming this pretty big potential double top here. We can update the levels to the upside right now, holding on the rotation zone, watching for it to get back above this 0.657365 basis on a closing basis. Then we'll be watching for a return to about 6912. Then to the most recent highs to 0.70. Then we go 0.7339, then 0.7597. Now, if we cannot rotate back up and we get a key close below or an extended move below 0.6201, then that does trigger this double. Keep in mind it could catch on the 50. That's another area to watch for a rotation since we're not shorting this one. 0.602698. And if that doesn't hold, then we'll be watching for 0.5760, 0.5540, and then eventually 0.53197. The way you can use these levels is watch for pullbacks and then strong moves or a bottoming pattern off any of these key levels could be a buying opportunity. Switching over to the daily chart, let's see where that is. So right now we got the rising 8 with the very bottom of this potential double. So that's going to be key. We may come down, tap that without getting the key close or extend, move below that, and rotate back up. Would not surprise me if we did that. If that did break, then again, you'd watch also another level is the bottom. This is 0.5896, bottom of the first cross rotation zone. Let's see how that ties back in with the 4-hour. So it was a 0.5896. So that's just above the 50. So there's lots of key support in here. That's why even if you had the ability to, would not be shorting into this move. There's lots of areas it can catch on. What we're really just looking for is a nice rotation back up for it to burn off some of this quick overbought situation, and then gave another strong entry. And let's see, we can then look for, there's nothing really in the way of these next levels higher, and they're going into this small clear path move. So everything's looking good if we can get a strong rotation back up into Ripple. That's what we have for you on Monero and Ripple, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.